Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah. I'm your Socially Awkward Seller, and I thought I'd bring you a haul video today. And I went shopping with my friend Andi, also a reseller, and we went to 4 Goodwills today. I spent a ton of money, and I got some decent stuff. Thought I would share it. It's almost all hard goods. I say almost all. There's one duvet cover that is clothing, but that's the only piece. And I'm pretty excited to show you what I got. Yeah, so let's just do that. Why don't we just do that? Like, subscribe, comment, love to hear from you, and all that kind of jazz. I don't know if this will be worth anything, but it's a food saver with some accessories in the manual and that sort of thing. I paid $5.99 for that, and I'll test that and see if it's working, because sometimes the seal doesn't work anymore, you know. Not that kind of seal. Anyway, I got this cross stitch kit unopened, 99 cents. Probably get $12–15 for that. Got a heat pad for my husband. Yeah. So I bought this, and I keep buying these, and I'm not really selling them that much. But this is a Ninja. I think this is either the Master Prep. I think this is the Master Prep, but I'm not sure. Anyway, it's got all the accessories. I paid $12.99 for it. I am going to test this out, and I probably will sell this locally for about 40 bucks. Because parting them out right now is not working for me. I'm trying it, but they're not really selling. Let's see. I paid $3.99. If I could just see. $3.99 for this. And I'm pretty sure, yes, this is an attachment for an Oyster. This is a food processor attachment for an Oyster Blender. And I'll probably get about $15–$20 for that, if I remember correctly. I haven't sold one of these for a while. Let's see. Come on over here. This is not a huge haul, but I did buy some decent stuff. Sorry. I'm still dealing with this cold. I bought these Clean Edge business cards, I think because I'm going to print for I have a smaller store. I have the big store and the little store on eBay. And I have these little thank you notes, thank you cards that are business card size from a big store. I'm going to try and print something similar for my little store on that. A do-it-yourselfer, if you will. Here's a Milton Cookie Pro. This is complete. It was $3.99. And again, these will sell when the holiday season comes back around. And I'm about done buying those, I think, for a while. This is the insert for Pampered Chef Chilzan. And I paid $3.99 for this. I'm going to try and sell this on Amazon, and hopefully I'll get $15 or so for that. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see what we got here. I got a Pampered Chef mixing bowl with lid. I don't know if these are worth anything. These may be something I keep. And then it's got the smaller version with it. I paid $3 for these. Again, I didn't look those up. I liked them, so I bought them. And then this is a mixing bowl, like for a stand mixer. If you know which one it is, clue me in, because this one's not marked, so I'm going to have to try and figure out. I think this is a 5-quart, but it is a glass bowl. I paid $3 for this, and once I figure it out, it'll probably sell for $20 to on up. Who knows? Just depends on which model it's for. I bought this Mr. Coffee Cafe Latte. Oh, just something. And I paid $16.99 for this, which I normally wouldn't for like a coffee maker. But these sell for about $60 unused. Yay. And the door is actually cracked on this one. So what I have decided to do is this sells for about $40 plus shipping. It's got this basket inside that I'll probably put about $10 on that. And then I think I'm going to sell just the unit itself for maybe $30 as a replacement for, you know, a defective one that somebody might have. It'll probably take the unit a little while to sell, but the other two pieces ought to sell pretty quickly. Again, I paid $16.99 for that. But yesterday, I actually happened to find one. This is used in the box, but it's got all of the packing materials and the instructions and all of that. I paid $7.99 for this one, and I will list this one for about $65 to $70 because it's got everything with it. I bought this. This is for a PS2. This guitar is by React. It's a Legacy wireless guitar controller, and it does have the dongle with it that someone has generously duct taped to the handle. I paid $5.99 for the guitar, but the dongle by itself ships for $20. Sells. That's the word I want. Sells for $20 shipped. So I don't know if I'll sell that with the guitar or sell the guitar separately, because I think I can get another $20 for the guitar. Alrighty. I bought this box of Falstaff. Box says Falstaff silverware. This is not what it is. I paid $5 for this, and it's actually just silverware odds and ends. That's an Oneida set. And I love me some flatware. Come on out of there. Let's see what this is. This is a kind of a plain set. It looks vintage, but I don't know that it is. It's yeah. I can't read that. Even with my glasses on, I can't read that. Supreme Cutlery is what this is. I don't know if that's vintage or not. Let's see what else is in here. This is Oneida Community, and that's what the handle looks like in those. But wait, there's more. Let's see what. I'm kind of excited. There's another set of Oneida, and this box is pretty full. And let's see, there's one more. This is some more of that plain, and then there's some more of the Oneida with that pattern, which I'll need to look up. But I should do fine on the flatware. It can be sometimes taxing to do all the research, but it'll sell. Take some time, but it'll sell. Okay, pick this mess up. And whatever doesn't sell for much, or you know, doesn't have enough pieces really to sell as a lot, I will throw in this bin I've got of silverware that I'm going to sell for jewelry making. And I'm working on getting a nice collection there. This is unlike me, but I bought this duvet cover because I just thought it was really nice. If you know what this is, let me know, because I can't find a tag. I don't know if it's Pottery Barn or if it's Walmart. I really don't. But it does feel like it's good quality. It's got this embroidery on it. The backside is a green kind of paisley. Not even kind of paisley. It is paisley. I paid $10 for this, and I think it's a queen. So I should do pretty well on that. It stinks, so I'll have to clean that, wash it, but I'm okay with that. This I was excited to see. This is Tiffany. This is a Tiffany bag for $5.99. And actually what is inside of it is a Tiffany box. And inside the Tiffany box is a Tiffany eyeglasses case. And inside that Tiffany eyeglasses case is a Tiffany eyeglasses dust bag and a lens cleaner. So I will probably not sell this bag because it's kind of beat up. I'll just include it. But I'm going to list this probably for about $25, maybe more. I don't know. I'll have to look. But I think about $25 for that. People like the Tiffany dust stuff. You know, the dust bags and all of that. And even the boxes. I've sold just empty boxes before that are Tiffany. This is a Sony micro cassette. This is the M425. I think this one sells for about $20, $25. The battery case, the battery cover is not on it, but it is here. I do have it. I paid $4.99 for this, and it looks like it's got 4 or 3 blank tapes with it and a couple of used tapes. Might be fun to listen to those and see if I can eavesdrop on somebody. Maybe it's juicy. It's probably not juicy. It's probably dumb and boring. Probably some kind of podiatrist's notes or something. It's probably nothing exciting whatsoever. I picked up this Tinkerbell water globe. This is not a musical one. Really cute. I paid $5.99. This is by Enesco. It is new with tags. It's the Walt Disney Showcase collection. And I think I'm going to try and get about $25 out of this. And then finally, oh no, not finally, there's one other thing besides this, finally. This is an Anchor Hocking, like refrigerator covered dish. This is called the 1932 design or something because it's got the ribbing rib. And I paid $3.99 for it, and I haven't decided. It might stay. Stay with me. Stay with me for a while. Stay. And then finally, the last thing that I picked up was, I'm just going to turn the camera, so bear with me, was this Little Tykes car. And I paid $6 for that. And it's a little dirty. So I'm going to clean that up and hose it down. It looks like it needs a little magic eraser action on it. And then I'll list that locally for $25. I've sold the red and blue one before, and they don't last too long. So, yeah, that'll probably be gone. And that's something I can leave outside because, you know, I have this issue with space, not having any in my house. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm going to clean all this mess up and get ready to go to the grocery store and get some dinner going and do all those wife things. Do you know about wife things? I know you do. Anyway, again, thanks for watching, and I will stop rambling this moment. Remember that the dream works when you do, so keep dreaming and keep working, and I'll see you guys the next time. Thanks, bye!